Hey guys, so it's the end of the night and my hair is quite a mess. Hi everyone, my name is Mireya. For this video, I will be doing a review and I'm going to be trying this makeup remover. This is the Micellar Cleansing Water. I've never tried this before. This is the Garnier Skin Active. All-in-one, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. Good thing because I'm using waterproof mascara today. Cleanses and refreshes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing. Face, lips, eyes. Sounds pretty good, so let's give it a try. It's for all skin types, even sensitive skin. This says it does not have any oil, no alcohol, no fragrance. Dermatologist tested for safety. I've never used this before, so I'm just going to read to you guys what it says. This all-in-one bi-phase cleanser is surprisingly powerful yet gentle to skin. It effectively removes makeup, cleanses skin, and refreshes. A multi-purpose cleanser that contains micellar technology like a magnet. Micelle capture and lift away dirt, oil, makeup without harsh rubbing, leaving skin perfectly clean and refreshed without over drying. Awesome. I have dry skin. Directions: shake well, saturate a cotton pad. The one that shows here in the picture is like the round ones, but that's okay. To cleanse skin and remove face makeup, gently wipe pad over skin until completely clean from makeup and impurities. Use daily, AM, PM. No need to rinse, but I will be rinsing because I like my face to be squeaky clean. So I feel like I have to use a cleanser after I take up my makeup and use a makeup remover. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be taking this the cotton circle. I'm going to be taking a cotton ball and then I'm going to be taking one of the makeup removers just to check and see if it really did remove my makeup. This is going to be like my test here. So let's put some of this on the cotton ball. I guess I'll go ahead and run and go get a cotton round. Because it'll probably be a bit easier. Look at all that makeup. I'll be right back. So these are the cotton rounds that it's telling you to use to remove your makeup. I'm gonna grab 2 of these, put some of this on here. I just feel like they're so thin and I felt like the makeup remover was gonna get all over the place, but let's give it a try. I'm gonna zoom you guys in as well. Okay. I don't feel like it got rid of the mascara. I don't feel like it's getting rid of the mascara. I'm gonna do one side first and then I'll go with the other side. I just taking the makeup off. I was gonna go in with a makeup pick because I feel like it's not removing the mascara. Look at this. I don't see any mascara here. Any black mascara. I still feel the thickness of mascara on my eyelashes. So you're not doing too well. Let's give it another try. 3rd time's a charmer, right? Well, it looks like it is coming off now. But it says here with no harsh rubbing. I feel like I have to really rub that in. So let's give it another try. I'm gonna have to get more of those cotton rounds because those didn't get rid of all the makeup. Let's try it again. I'm gonna give you another try on my other eye. Let's give it a try. I'm just gonna go softly because it says no harsh rubbing. I don't see any mascara on there, maybe just minimal mascara. Now I see a little bit more mascara on this one, but it says no harsh rubbing and I'm rubbing. It is getting rid of the makeup there, the bronzer, foundation, blush, all of that. Now I'm going to use another one for my eyebrows. Now you'll be able to tell if it is. It says no harsh rubbing, and I feel like I have to rub them. I just did it once, but I feel like I still have some more. Right now I'm sticking with my MAC makeup remover because that one gets rid of everything. I don't know, I feel like I have to keep putting more and more cotton rounds. Sorry, but this is just my personal experience with this. There might be people out there that really like this product. I like a makeup remover that takes everything off fast, that I don't have to be rubbing. And this one I just have to keep rubbing and going back again and back. It is taking, it is getting rid of the mascara there. But I just have to keep going back and forth, back and forth. I feel like it's too much now. I think I'm gonna use up this whole bottle. Yeah, I'm saving money by buying this product, but I'm using a whole bunch. Don't forget to shake it well. Let's try that again. Maybe this time it'll work. Okay, I just want to zoom you guys in. You guys can see that. Can you guys see that mascara on my left eye? So hopefully it'll get rid of it. Okay, that's working a lot better. You see that? Maybe I was supposed to shake it in the beginning. Whoopsie. I do feel like it's removing the makeup. Okay, okay. Got a whole bunch of rounds and all that there. Let me go in with a clean makeup wipe. Got a clean makeup wipe here, just to see if there's any makeup left, which I'm pretty sure there is. But it says here that you don't have to even rinse your face. Yeah, right. How would you not rinse your face? Like, don't you feel like your face is dirty, like you still have makeup on? Look at all that. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit more with my makeup wipe, and then I'm gonna go on this eye, because I do feel like there's mascara on there on my eyelashes. See? You see all that mascara that's left there? The cotton rounds did not get rid of it. So I do feel a little bit of makeup left still, and I'm just rubbing and rubbing at my face. The more I rub, the more I'm gonna get rid of makeup, of course. And that's something that this product is advertising. It says that it gently wipes your makeup away without harsh rubbing. What it says exactly, it says, like a magnet, micelles capture and lift away dirt, oil, makeup without harsh rubbing. I had a rub. Like, if it didn't advertise that, then I wouldn't be so critical about it. Even by going like this to my eyelashes, I have mascara on my fingers. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this product. So the final review that I'm gonna be giving this product, on a rating from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the lowest, I'm gonna have to give it a 2-star rating. And the reason why I'm giving it a 2, I wouldn't have been so critical about this product if it didn't advertise, or if it didn't say in the back, like a magnet, micelles capture and lift away dirt, oil, makeup without harsh rubbing. It says no harsh rubbing, and I had to do some rubbing. And right now I'm gonna have to go in and use a cleanser and cleanse off my face, because I feel like I still have some residue. I have makeup everywhere. I still feel it. My eyes, my eyelashes have makeup. I feel it everywhere. So I need to clean my face. I always like that squeaky clean face, and this is not doing the job. No. Sorry, Micellar cleansing water. I do apologize. I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing this product. I know there's a pink one with a pink. I'll give it a try. I am going to finish this product. I'm not going to throw it away. I am going to finish using it, possibly the days that I don't wear a lot of makeup. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I guess because I am comparing it a bit to the makeup remover from MAC, which I already did a video. That was super easy to remove my makeup. I didn't have to do so much rubbing, and I really liked it. It removed even my waterproof mascara. And I'm the type of girl that I do not want to struggle when it's time to take up my makeup. I want something easy. I don't want to be rubbing. I don't want to get some premature wrinkles more than what I already have. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. That way I can share with you guys more reviews on other products that I have. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go wash all of this off and take a shower.